Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance sedans of the year, the 2025 BMW M3. This car has been setting the benchmark for sports sedans for decades, and BMW has taken it to the next level this time. Starting with the design, BMW continues to refine the aggressive and bold styling that makes the M3 stand out. The kidney grills remain a talking point, but they've been subtly reworked for a more streamlined look. The sharper LED headlights, sculpted aerodynamic body, and newly designed forged alloy wheels give the M3 an unmistakable road presence. Add in the carbon fiber roof and optional M-carbon exterior package, and this car looks as fast as it drives. Now, let's talk about performance at the heart of every M3. Under the hood, the 2025 model still packs the 3.0 liters twin-turbocharged inline-six, but BMW has fine-tuned it for even more power. The standard M3 now pushes 503 horsepower, while the Competition xDrive model cranks it up to an exhilarating 523 horsepower. With that power sent to all four wheels via BMW's xDrive system, this beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. BMW's engineers have worked their magic on the adaptive suspension, active M differential, and precision-tuned chassis to deliver an unrivaled driving experience. Whether you're attacking corners or cruising on the highway, the M3 remains incredibly balanced, sharp, and composed. The M-tuned brakes and sticky Michelin Pilot Sport tires ensure that stopping power is just as impressive as acceleration. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The M-carbon bucket seats not only look stunning but provide exceptional support for spirited driving. The new curved display, powered by BMW's latest xDrive system, dominates the dashboard. It features a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. BMW's M-Mode settings let you customize everything from steering feel to suspension stiffness, making the M3 adaptable for both daily driving and track days. Sound is a crucial part of any performance car, and BMW has stepped it up with the redesigned exhaust system that delivers an intoxicating roar when you open up the throttle. Plus, the available Harman Kardon premium audio system ensures an immersive experience, whether you're enjoying music or the engine's symphony. Technology and safety haven't been overlooked. The 2025 M3 comes loaded with driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced parking system with 360-degree cameras. For those who love track days, BMW's xDrive Professional package includes a drift analyzer and lap timer, letting you push the limits while keeping everything under control. Customization is another strong point. BMW offers a range of bold exterior colors, including classic Alpine White, Isle of Man Green, and the new Frozen Pure Grey. Inside, you can opt for merino leather upholstery in various shades, carbon fiber trim, and even personalized stitching options. Now, let's talk pricing. The base M3 starts around $76,000, while the Competition xDrive version crosses the $85,000 mark, depending on options. It's a significant investment, but considering the performance, luxury, and technology packed into this machine, it's worth every penny. So, who is the 2025 BMW M3 for? If you want a car that can dominate the track on weekends and provide luxury and comfort on weekdays, there's hardly a better option. It's a driver's car through and through, engineered for those who crave excitement behind the wheel. BMW has once again raised the bar with the 2025 M3. Proving that the ultimate driving machine is still very much alive. Let me know in the comments is this your dream sports sedan, or would you choose something else? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more premium car content. See you in the next one.